Good evening, children. Welcome back to my channel. Now I am doing 7th class new chapter in maths, that is data handling, that is 7th chapter. So here you have got an introduction for this. It is the textbook, children, which I am showing. Ravi is reading the sports section of newspaper. There are two tables on the sports page of the newspaper. See, table 1 and table 2. First table shows top 5 batsmen in the World Cup 2011. That is T. Dilshan, Sri Lanka; Sachin Tendulkar, India; K. Sangakkara, Sri Lanka; Jonathan Trott, England; and Tharanga, Sri Lanka. And bowlers in the same World Cup 2011: Shahid Afridi, Pakistan 21; Zahir Khan, India 21; TJ Saudi, New Zealand 18; Robin Peterson 15; and Muralidharan, Sri Lanka 15. These are the two tables. Now the question is, what do these tables tell us? What are they explaining you? Table 1 is telling you about the batsmen, who are all their batsmen in the World Cup 2011. Table 2 is saying about bowlers in the World Cup 2011. So this kind of representation is called as data. So see this, children: information which is in the form of numbers or words and helps in taking decisions or drawing conclusions is called data. This is the important part, children. What I have underlined, that you have to write it as the definition. What is data? It is information which is in the form of numbers or words. Here you have got both. You have got numbers as well as you have got words. So information which is in the form of numbers or words and helps in taking decisions. See, what decision you are taking with this? You are taking with this that batsmen in the World Cup. These are all the top 5 batsmen. In that, the best one is Dilshan. So with the help of these numbers, you can understand the rank of this. Similarly, even for the bowlers. So information which is in the form of numbers or words and helps in taking decisions or drawing conclusions. Conclusion means the result that we are drawing. We are able to take. How are we able to take? With the help of the values that are given, and those values are called data. And the numerical entries in the data are called observations. The numerical means the numbers. All these numbers are called as observations. Now, organizing the data. Organizing the data means, here you see details of 7 students of class 7 in a school are collected under Jawahar Bala Arogya Raksha scheme. So, Krishna noted heights of the following students in his notebook: Amala 125 centimeters, Lekhya 133 centimeters, Tabasam 121 centimeters, Sudha 140 centimeters, Vanaja 117 centimeters, Lenin 129 centimeters, and Rajesh 132 centimeters. And another student by name Kumar, he has written all these same in the form of a table arranged in the heights. So what he did, he wrote all the names in an order here: Vanaja, Tabasum, Amla, Lenin, Rajesh, Lekhya, Sudha, and he wrote all the heights in ascending order. Now let us see the questions that are given. See, now, who is the tallest among the students? So, with the help of this data, you can find out the tallest one is Sudha. This is the answer. Sudha is the tallest one. And who is the shortest among the students? The shortest one is 117, that is Vanaja. Whose height is between that of Amala and Rajesh? This is Amala, this is Rajesh. It is Lenin's height, which is in between the heights of Amala and Rajesh. So you can see, children, with the help of the table, very easily you can clearly indicate what is asked in the question. So I want you to copy this as the answer, children, for this table. This is there in your textbook. Please do so. Now, let me see the next one. Do this. In a unit test, Amar secured 20, 18, 23, 21, 24, 22 marks in Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science and Social Studies. Social Sciences. Peter got 23, 21, 20, 19, 24, 17 marks in the subjects respectively. Same of subjects respectively. So interpret the data in an organized manner. You have to interpret the data in an organized manner. So how will you see this? Children, you can draw this table. The subjects are written here: Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social Science. Amar and Peter marks I have written here. Amar got 20 in Telugu, 23. Peter got 23. In Hindi, Amar got 18 and Peter got 21. And in English, Amar got 23. Peter got 20. In Maths, Amar got 21. Peter got 19. Science 24 and 24. Both of them got. Social 22 and 17. By writing this table, you are having a kind of explanation and you can give an interpretation, means a kind of solution you can give for it. What are that interpretations I have written here? You see, Amar secured more marks in English, Maths, Social Service. See, Amar 20 23 he got in English, and in Maths 21 he got, and Social. So these are the three subjects in which Amar secured more marks, and Peter secured more marks in Telugu and Hindi only, and both Amar and Peter secured same marks in the science. So this is the interpretation that you can do with the help of this table. So please copy this table as well as the interpretations, children, for both. So go through this. Copy it, children. This is the interpretation and solution. Please copy it. Next part I'll be doing on the board, because this is what is given in the textbook and I can do it easily, means you will understand when I teach in this way. That is why I have taught this part. Remaining part I will do it on the board. Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm dealing with 7th class mathematics. I have done earlier by showing you the textbook. I have done about how to find out the maximum and minimum values, and certain data, how to analyze the data, that I have explained. Now I am continuing my class with arithmetic mean. What is the meaning of arithmetic mean? It is nothing but the average. You have got an example here, children. The physical education teacher in a school instructed his students to practice regularly. Rajender had his practice sections for a week as follows. Physical education teacher, the PT teacher. Some practice for some sport, he asked the students to practice, and a student by Rajender, he has done his practices. So the problem is like this: the physical education teacher, it goes on like this. So see, the day is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. Okay, so how many minutes he got practiced? Monday 20 minutes, Tuesday 35 minutes, Wednesday 40 minutes, Thursday 30 minutes, Friday 25 minutes, Saturday 45 minutes, Sunday 15 minutes. So these are the timings. Now compare to the time spent by Rajendra for practice in terms of time spent per day. That means you need to find out the average of his practice. How many minutes he has practiced per day. So you want to find out the average. The average meaning means what? Sum of observations divided by number of observations. So sum of observations means you have to add 20 plus 35 plus 40 plus 30 plus 25 plus 45 plus 15 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how much are you going to get here? Say, children, let me find out this 20, 35, 40, 30, 25, 45, 15. Let us add 15, 20. 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 20, 21, 210. So the total is 210 by 7. That means 7 ones are, 7 threes are, and 0, 30. So what is average? Average is 30 minutes. This is how you need to find out average. The formula for average is sum of observations by number of observations. Please note it down, children. Formula is very important to do the sums. Please note it down. Let us see the next part of it. Example 1. Earnings in rupees of vegetable vendor, of a vegetable vendor. It goes on like this. So let me read. Earnings in rupees of a vegetable vendor in a week are 200 rupees, 150 rupees, 180 rupees, 300 rupees, 160 rupees, 170 rupees, and 170 rupees. Find his average earning per day. So, what is average? Average means sum of observations divided by number of observations. So what are sum of observations you have got? 200 plus 150 plus 180 plus 300 plus 160 plus 170 plus 170 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us add 200, 150, 180, 300, 160, 170, 170. So these are all zeros. This is 14, 20, 28, 33. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 10, 11, 13. 1330 is the sum. So 1330 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 6, 7 nines are 63, 0. So 190. So the question is average earning per day. Therefore, average earning per day is equal to rupees 190 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Next. Now, the next one is, where does the mean lie? You should understand this also. Where does the mean lie? How can you understand this? This you will understand by using this example. See, the marks obtained. The question here is marks obtained by Anil, Amar, Anthony, and Inder. Inder actually in Telugu, Hindi, and English are given below. Now, let us calculate average marks obtained by the students in each subject. So, the marks obtained by, the question is, the marks obtained by Anil, Amar, Anthony, and Inder. It is like this. So, you have got the names Anil, Amar, Anthony, Inder. Subjects Telugu, Hindi, and English. So Telugu Anil he got 15, in Hindi 8, in English 10. Amar 10, 10, 12. Anthony 11, 6, 11. Inder 12, 12, 13. Now you need to find out subject wise individuals. That is, you have got the table for Telugu, Hindi, and English. And what is the arithmetic mean in Telugu? Means all this you have to add. That is 15 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12. That is 6 2, 8 and 4, 48. So 48 by 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how much you are getting? Arithmetic mean is 12. Next, highest marks. What are highest marks in this? 15. And least marks. How many are least marks? 10. Okay. So what is the mean? Mean is 12. Okay. Now mean. Mean is 12. Highest marks, least marks and mean. Similarly, Hindi. Hindi means 8, 10, 6, 12. 8 to 10, 6, 16, 36. So 36 by 4. That is 9. Now here highest marks. What are the highest marks in this? 12. And least marks are 6 and mean is 9. And English 10, 12, 11, 13, 3, 4, 6 and 46. So 46 by 4. 46 by 4 you are having. So how much you will be getting? 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 3s are, that is 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11.5. Okay. Next, highest marks. In this highest marks is 13. Next, least marks. Least marks 10 and mean is 11.5. So the question here is, does the mean lie? Does the mean lie between the minimum and maximum value in each case? This is the question. See here. In the first case, if you see, mean is 12. See, highest is 15, least is 10. So in between 10 and 15 only 12 lies. Here also, mean is 9, highest 12, least 6. So in between this only the mean is lying. And in the case of English 11.5, highest 13, least 10, 11.5 lies between 13 and 10. So what is the answer that you will be getting here? In between which does the mean lies between minimum and maximum values? What is the answer for it? Answer is yes. Definitely the arithmetic mean always lies between the maximum and minimum values of the given data. Remember it very well, because this point is very important in solving objectives and some sums also. So please copy this, children. We have got example 2. In a family, ages of members. It goes on like this. So let us see. In a family, ages of members Krishna, Radhika, Niharika, Nikhil are 44, 39, 17 and 12. First bit is find the arithmetic mean of their ages. And second one is what were their ages 5 years before? Find their mean age. Third bit, can you see the relationship between change in the mean and the number of years? This is a question. So you have got the members of the family Krishna, Radhika, Niharika, Nikhil. These are the family members and age. Age is 44, 39, 17, 12. So first one is find arithmetic mean. So what is arithmetic mean? It is also called AM. It is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. So sum of observations 44 plus 39 plus 17 plus 12 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us add 44, 39, 17, 12. 7 to 9, 9 to 18, 22. 2, 3, 4, 7, 11. 112 you are having. So this is 112 by 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. And then 4 eights are 32. So 28 years is first bit, arithmetic mean. Next bit is for second bit. What were their ages 5 years before? So 5 years before their ages. What are 5 years before their ages? Let me write it here. This is Krishna. 44 minus 5. So how much? 39. And Radhika, 39 minus 5, 34. And Niharika, 17 minus 5, 12. And Nikhil, 12 minus 5, that is 7. So again the question is find their mean. We have to find out mean. Mean is equal to 39 plus 34 plus 12 plus 7 by 4. This is equal to 39, 34, 12 and 7. So 7 to 9, 9 9s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. 2 3 3 6 3 9, 92. 92 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 23 years is the age. So third question, this is about the second bit answer. Now third bit, can you see the relationship? What is the relationship? Relationship is, mean in the first case is 28 years. In case 1, mean is equal to 28 years. In case 2, mean is equal to 23 years. How are you getting 23 years? From 28, if you subtract 5, you are getting 23 years. So what is the relation? How can you say that? That means when each observation is reduced by a number, I should write here when each observation is reduced by a number, then the mean also reduced by the same number. This is the mean is also reduced by the same number. This is the relation that you are getting, children. Here, please note down. Still the problem is there. I will continue. Now, the problem still continues that on reducing the age of this I have done. Now calculate the mean of family 3 years from now. So I can consider this as the fourth bit. 3 years from now. So what is mean? From now 3 years means each age. I should write first age. I'll write first ages. Ages here is Krishna 44 plus 3 47. Radhika 39 plus 3 42. Niharika 17 plus 3 20. Nikhil 12 plus 3, that is 15. So now let me find out mean. Mean is equal to 47 plus 42 plus 20 plus 15 by 4. This is equal to, let me add, 47, 42, 20, 15. This is 5 to 7, 7 to are 14, 2, 4, 4 3s are 12. 124, you are getting 124 by 4. 4 3s are 4 1s are 31. You have got mean. What do you think will be the mean age of the family 10 years from now? So the fifth bit, let me take it as 10 years from now. 10 years from now, Krishna's age. Krishna's age is 44 plus 10, 54. And Radhika's age 39 plus 10, 49. And Niharika's age 17 plus 10, 27. And Nikhil age 12 plus 10, 22. So what is mean? 54 plus 49 plus 27 plus 22 divided by 4. So 54, 49, 27, 22. 9, 9 twos are 18, 22. 2 to 4 to 6, 10, 15. 152. 152 by 4. 4 threes are 12, 4 eights are 32. 38 is the 38 years is the mean. 31 years is the mean here. Okay. Now, with the help of this, what you are understanding, children, 3 years means what is earlier age? Earlier age you have got 28 years. 28 plus 3. 30 years can be considered as 28 plus 3. 31 years. And 10 years from now is 28 plus 10 is 32 years. So with this example, you can very well say that if each observation is added with the same number or subtracted with the same number, the mean of the first case, for that the same number according to the problem either added or subtracted to find the mean. You need not go for the total procedure of subtracting the number or adding the number and dividing, because it is a property of arithmetic mean. Whatever number that you are adding to each observation, the same number, if you add to the mean of that first observation, you will be getting mean of the second observation. With whatever number you are subtracting first observations, in case if you are subtracting, then whatever is the mean of the first one, subtract the same number, you are going to get the mean of the new observation. So this property you should remember, children. Please copy it. Now we will see the exercise sums. Exercise 1. First problem, maximum daytime temperature. Maximum daytime temperature. It goes on like this. Let me read. Maximum daytime temperature of Hyderabad in a week from 26th February to 4th March 2011 are recorded as 26 degrees centigrade, 27 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees centigrade, 33 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees centigrade. So, what is the maximum temperature of the week? What is the average temperatures of the week? So, first let us write down the temperatures. So, what are the temperatures? Temperatures are given as 26 degrees, 27 degrees, 30 degrees, again 30 degrees, 32 degrees centigrade, 33 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees centigrade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have taken out. So, the first question is, what is the maximum temperature of the week? So, maximum temperature. Maximum is highest. Temperature is 33 degrees centigrade. Now the next one is, what is the average temperature? Average temperature, that is sum of the observations, that is 26 plus 27 plus 30 plus 30 plus 32 plus 33 plus 32 divided by the number is 7. So let us see. 26, 27, 30, 30, 32, 33, 32. So how much you are getting? 5, 7, 14, 6, 20, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 19, 21. 210 degrees. So 210 by 7, 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 30 degrees centigrade is the mean. This is the answer for the first one, children. Second problem, rice consumed in a school. Rice consumed in a school. Let us see this problem. Rice consumed in a school under the midday meal program for 5 consecutive days is 15.750 kgs, 14.850 kgs, 16.500 kgs, 500 kgs, 14.700 kgs, and 17.700 kgs. Find the average rice consumption for the 5 days. The question is average rice consumption. Average rice consumption. This is nothing but sum of numbers. 15.750 plus 14.850 plus 16.500 plus 14.700 plus 17.700 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So let us take these values. 15.750, 14.850, 16.500, 14.700, 17.700. Okay, so here you'll be getting zeros. Here 5, 5, 10, 14, 15, 5, 20, 20, 28, 28, 35, 3, 10, 14. This is 10, this is 10, 20, 29, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once again, let us check. This whole thing is 0, and this is 5 and 5, 10, 14, 1, 15, 5, 20, 28, 35, 7, 3, 10, 10, 29, 29, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 79.500 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 2, 5 fives are 25, 4, 5 nines are 45, 0, 0. So this is 15.900 kgs. This is the average. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, let us see the third one. In a village, let us see the problem. In a village, 3 different crops are cultivated in 4 successive years. The profit in rupees on the crops per acre is shown in the table below. Crop and year. Crop is groundnuts, jawar, millets. Year 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. And they have given the amount. The first one is calculate mean profit for each crop. So, what is given? I'll write it here. Crop per year table. So, this is 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and groundnuts, jawar, millets. So 7,000, 6,000, 9,000, 8,000, 1,000, 5,000, 7,500, 8,000, 3,000, 7,500, 1,000, 4,000. Now the first one is calculate the mean profit for each crop. For each crop over the 4 years. So each crop mean you have to find out means first let us take groundnuts mean. Groundnuts mean profit is nothing but, see, these are all groundnut for 4 different years. That is 7,000 plus 8,000 plus 7,500 plus 7,500 divided by 4. So let me add 7,000, 8,000, 7,500, 7,500. So 0, 0, 5, 5, 10, 7 3s are 21, 22, 22, 8, 30. So 30,000. This is equal to 30,000 by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. 2 4 fives are 20. 0 0. So this is rupees 7,500 is the average profit for groundnuts. Now go for Jawar. Jawar mean profit. Jawar mean profit 6,000 plus 1,000 plus 8,000 plus 1,000 divided by 4. So 6,000, 1,000, 8,000, 1,000. So 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 8 to 10, 6, 16, 16,000. 16,000 by 4. 4 fours are 0, 0, 0. That is rupees 4,000 is the mean for Java. Now millets. Mean profit. Millets mean profit. 9,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 by 4. So 9,000, 5,000, 3,000, 4,000, 0, 0, 0, then 8, 8, 4, 12, 12 plus 8, 21, 21. So 21,000 by 4. 4 fives are 20, 4 twos are 8, 2, 4 fives are 20, 0. That is rupees 5,250. So these are the profits. Now the question is, second question, based on your answer, which crop should be cultivated in the next year? Based on cultivation, which crop? Second bit, based on your answer, based on the answers, which crop should be cultivated? Which crop should be cultivated in the next year? This is the question. Based on the answers, which crop should be cultivated in the next year? Which crop, children, out of these three, which is having more profit? Groundnuts. So the answer here is groundnuts, because only the groundnuts are getting more profit compared to that of the other ones. So please copy this, children. With this, I am going to conclude today's topic. Next part I will be doing in the next class.